Alright, so let's do a bonus example using two different methods. The first method being the variation of parameters, and the second method being the traditional guessing method. So let's consider the differential equation y double prime minus 4y equal to e to the x. So let's first do the complementary part. So the homogeneous equation is y double prime minus 4y equal to 0, which gives you the characteristic equation r squared minus 4 equal to 0, so r is plus minus 2. So the complementary solution is c1 times e to the 2x plus c2 times e to the negative 2x. So y1 is e to the 2x, and y2 is e to the negative 2x. So we know what y1 and y2 are. Now let's calculate the Wronskian of these two functions. So w of x is the Wronskian of y1 and y2, which equals to the determinant. The first row is just y1 and y2, and the second row is the derivative of first row. So this determinant is equal to e to the 2x times negative 2 e to the negative 2x minus e to the negative 2x times 2 e to the 2x is minus 2 is negative 4. So this is negative 4. And f of x is e to the x. So now we can find our particular solution yp. So yp is negative e to the 2x times the integral of e to the negative 2x times f of x over negative 4 dx plus y2, which is e to the negative 2x times the integral of e to the 2x times e to the x over Wronskian is negative 4. This is equal to negative e to the 2x times integral of e to the negative x over negative 4 plus e to the negative 2x times e to the 3x over negative 4. So this is negative e to the 2x times e to the negative x over 4 plus, we don't need plus c here, plus e to the negative 2x times e to the 3x over negative 12. So it's negative 1/4 e to the x minus 1 over 12 e to the x. So it's going to be 1/3 negative e to the x. Alright, so that's our particular solution. So the general solution is y equals to the complementary part plus the particular part, which is actually a minus. Okay. Alright, so let's use a different method to solve this differential equation. So let me copy the differential equation here again. Y double prime minus 4y equals to e to the x. The complementary part is exactly the same. We're not going to go over again. So the complementary solution is c1 times cos e to the 2x plus c2 times e to the negative 2x. So we want to make our guess for the particular solution. So the right hand side is e to the x, which does not appear in the complementary solution. So there's no duplicate here. So we can safely guess yp equals to a times e to the x. So the derivative is literally the same. The second derivative is still literally the same. So plug it in. We get a times e to the x minus 4 times a times e to the x equal to e to the x, which tells you that negative 3a equal to 1, so a is negative 1/3. So the particular solution is negative 1/3 e to the x, which is the same as what we got using the other method, but this is way faster. So the general solution is y equals to the homogeneous part. It's a plus. Plus, it's technically a minus. Minus the particular part. So the two methods gives you exactly the same solution, but the guessing method is way faster than variation of parameters. So we only use the method variation of parameters if we can't make our guesses. All right.